Hey rugged fans, I've got another update for you. So there is this brand called
UNIWA
that released the W555. I'll be talking about the features in this video. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So let's quickly check the specs and features of the rugged phone out. So the phone has a basic rugged design. On the right side, there's the power button and volume keys. On the other side, there's a SIM slot and a customizable key. At the back, there is a camera module that contains 2 cameras and a flash. The phone is 13.4mm thick. Yeah, it's a very bulky phone. It is expected. Rugged phones are usually thick, like really thick and bulky. And in terms of specs, the phone ships with the Android 12 OS. It flaunts a 5.71-inch HD Plus wardrobe notch display. Like I mentioned earlier, it has dual cameras at the rear, a 30-megapixel main camera and a 0.3 auxiliary camera. The wardrobe notch houses a 5-megapixel camera for selfies and video calls. The rugged phone is available in 2 colors, black and silver. It is powered by the Helio A22 chip paired with 3 gigs of RAM and 32 GB onboard storage that could be expanded up to 128 gigs. It is also backed up by a 4000 mAh battery, but it doesn't support fast charging. It ships with a normal charger, guys. So other features of the device includes NFC. It supports OTG. There's also an SOS function available. It also supports wireless radio. Sensors like gravity, light sensor, proximity, gyroscope, etc. are all supported. From the 1st of November, it's going to cost just $99, guys. $99 for this rugged phone. I think it's a very good deal. The price is very reasonable, very fair. Anyway, what do you think about this new rugged phone from UNIWA? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.